In the previous tutorial, we mentioned that as a leader, we can manage our students. There are a number of useful features as a teacher that we can use to create an efficient and effective lesson for our students. Sometimes, if certain students are not cooperating or have a technical issue that they are not aware of, these issues can cause disturbances to other students in a lesson. As a teacher and a leader, remember to make sure your leader mode is on. And if so, we can do a number of things. The first is mute and ask to unmute a student in our space. To do so, we can click the little icon in the bottom right of their feed with the 3 dots and select mute. We can then also ask to unmute if we wish to hear them again. We can do exactly the same with their video feeds. Block their feed and then ask to unblock their feed. Then, as a leader, we can click on our participants button over here to see a list of students currently in our space. From here, we can actually ban the user, or to put more politely, kick the user, to remove the student from our space. If at a later stage, we wish to unban that kicked user, we can see a list of banned users by clicking the leader icon and clicking Manage Banned Users. You can then click the relevant IP or student that belongs to, and then you can unban them by clicking this button here. Remember, as a leader, we can also control which video layout we want our students to see. And that's it for managing students. We really hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next video.